Hey guys, my name is Jimmy. I'm here with Je le fais pour moi. And today we're going to be talking about lunges. The importance of lunges, what lunges do, and advanced exercises for lunges for those who need something a little more extra. All right, what you guys need to know is that lunges are important to tone the inner and outer thigh muscles as it promotes hip stability, strengthens your core, strengthens your glutes, and definitely boosts your athletic performance and adds to the overall thigh muscle. We're going to be looking at a few variety of lunges. We're going to be looking at the front lunge, the reverse lunge, and like I mentioned, the advanced version, which would be the curtsy lunge. That's going to be more at the end. All right, what you guys need to know about lunges, naturally when you step forward into a lunge, your knee will naturally push forward. But if your hips are weak, your knee can push out further past your toes because the hip muscles don't keep in line, which puts added pressure onto your knee, and that's when you're gonna feel a sharp pain shoot straight up into your thigh. So I will teach you today how to keep that in line, how to keep that core nice and tight, and how to go down and up into that straight line. All right, so today's variety of lunges, we're gonna start with a front lunge. Now guys, what's very, very key here is when you step into a front lunge, is that, like I mentioned earlier, your knee will push forward, and we don't want that. A natural lunge, we have to maintain the movement on our back legs. Our hips have to stay in line. So what's important is not to step forward, put pressure onto your knee by passing your toes, is to step forward and come down into a straight line on my back leg. I got 90 degrees in the front, I got 90 degrees in the back, and I'm using the right leg to hit the proper lunge, right? Change my angle, I come forward, I stay on my back leg, I descend in a straight line. This is where you should feel the pain. This is the foundation of your lunge. You're not gonna feel any pain in this leg because you're doing all the work on your left, and you come up. For those of you who have knee injuries, you're feeling that sharp pain, it doesn't matter, we're gonna figure it out. What's important is that when you step into a lunge, is not to step into it, come back up, and then go again. The best way to build your knee muscles is to put yourself into a static position, work on a straight line on a 3-second count down, 3, 2, 1. Same on the upward, 3, 2, 1, and straight back down. It's not the number of reps that count here, it's the technique that matters most. And as you see, in every single rep while I go down, my knee never passes my ankles. I'm keeping that vertical line straight down on my back leg. I'm feeling the burn right where it should be. I come right back up. You're doing 6, 8, 10. That's all you need. Switch legs, come back to it. All right, so now for something a little more advanced, okay? I use this a lot in my classes. Guys, the curtsy lunge, okay? And I'll also show you how to turn this exercise into something more of a functional exercise to really benefit the quads and glutes at the same time. So, same thing for the lunges. As you go back, it's very important are your hips. As you go down to a straight line, your hips maintain that vertical line, but also facing forward. From this point on, when you come up and you go into a curtsy lunge, your back leg is shooting at a 45-degree angle in the back. But what's very important to really hit your glutes is not to turn your hips. We don't want that twist. If you do a twist, you're putting torsion on your knee, which is no good. So by maintaining your hips nice and straight and working again on that vertical line, work your way down, you're gonna feel a nice pull on your glutes. Completely normal, that's what we're targeting. From this point, you come back up, straight into a 45, hips aligned with 12 o'clock, back up, and curtsy, okay? That's a proper curtsy. What I don't want, once again, is a twist. You're putting pressure on your knee, and you're not feeling that stretch in your glutes, okay? Curtsy lunge done properly, nice and straight, nice and straight. I am not moving my hips and I'm taking my time. This is for beginners. Now, for those who want a little bit more of a burn, not a problem, I got you guys all settled in here. Come down, nice and straight, drop down into a squat. Keep the contraction in the quads, come back into a curtsy. Squat, curtsy. So I'm always staying face 12 o'clock and I'm feeling the burn, not only in my quads, but obviously in my glutes. Very important, always maintain a nice, strong core. All right, guys, that's it today for lunges, but please stay tuned. We will be posting some more videos on knee rehab exercises, which is really cool. I'm gonna be introducing you guys to a few of our equipment here. We got a half ball, Bosu ball, which is primarily the best equipment to strengthen your knee. We could go for the regular ball, which we could do one leg at a time, to more advanced where we could be using two. And let's not forget the most famous elastics, which we love so much. And all this will be implemented in our next rehab exercises. So please guys, don't forget, click below, subscribe to hashtag Je le fais pour moi, hashtag I do it for me. We're all about our well-being, our health, and how to benefit from this life that we have. So till next time, have yourselves a great day.